just fun to say. He's a 2010 bay gelding. He is consigned by Arrow A Ranch. He is a son of Fueled by a Legacy, a son of Glacio Bow by 3 O's, our All-American winner. First dam is a daughter of Dusty Tater by Borrow Sean Music. Second dam is a daughter of Freckles Elite. They've got this colt riding great. He's got over 60 days riding indoors, outdoors. They wanted me to mention the sire of the sire, that Glacio Bow. They bought him at 15 years of age. He's the cornerstone stallion of their operation. 15 years old, they started him on the barrels. They took him down to a barrel race, 1,200 head in Glen Rose, Texas, and had the fastest time. Retired him at 28 years of age.
I tell you what, this is really a nice horse right here. You know, he really rides. He really rides. Give me 5,000. We're starting to go 2,022 and a half. 22 and a 5. I'm going to 25. 32 and a half. 32 and a half. 3,100. 31. 31. 31. I tell you what, I like this horse. This horse really, really rides. $3,000. 3,100. 3,100. Oh, that one has 3,000. No, I'm with Tim's man. So I got 1, now 2. And now 2. And I'm going to 3,100, I'm going to 3,200, and 3,400. And now 3,400, and 3,400, I'm going to 6. I'm going to 3,800, I'm going to 38. And I'm going to 3,800, I'm going to you'll like this horse. Anybody can get along with him. 3,800. Tell him.
He's just 3 years old. Look at what he's doing out here. Look at how he moves. He just buries that hind leg underneath him and reaches with the front leg. How many 3-year-olds do you see come in and do that?
That's right. 38. 3,800. What do you want to tell him, Brenda?
They said that $150 will pay him up into the future fortunes. He's a gold, and he's only $150 for full payment.
Watch him ride. 3,800. He's just a 3-year-old. I'm going to 3,800. Now just stop him walking. Now just stop him walking. You can ride him just as slow or just as fast as you want to ride him. Look here. You can't rile him up. Look here. Boy, isn't that worth something to you? 3,700. 36, 37, 3,800, 4,000. Young lady, give me 4,000. 4,200, 4,400. Oh, I'm going to 44. I'm going to 42, 4,400, 42, 44, 44, yes?
One barrel horse. I ain't seen one go with a little circle like that.
That's right. 40, you know what? You might even see a steer on the back of a rope on him with that little barrel. 4,400! All right, I'm going to 44, 4,400, 4,400, 4,200, right over there, 4,200, 178, 4,200, 178. Thank you for bringing a nice one.